adjust to different species requirements and high energy consumption and maintenance costs. To overcome all these challenges, our team has innovated a artificial incubation for better hatch rates for poor farmers in rural. And our hypothesis is to introduction of the hatches model and innovative incubation system with enhanced environmental control, energy efficiency and species adaptability will significantly improve hatch rates compared to conventional incubators. And our main aim is to design, implement and evaluate hatcheries as a novel artificial incubation system that enhances the hatchability and reduces the embryo mortality. And our objectives are to analyze the limitations of existing technologies and to develop hatcheries prototype with involved controls and to test hatchability across different bird species and compare the performance with conventional limitations and to access cost effectiveness and scalability for commercial use. And next, my project will be continued by Shivani.
Review of literature. Temperature fluctuation causes abnormal embryology development. High humidity mismanagement leading weak chicks and unhatched eggs. Ventilation issues affecting unaspiration embryology survival. High operation costing, particularly changing in rural small scale farms. Few students are focusing in integrating low cost of energy efficient and species deficient solutions. Next we'll continue Deepa.
Research methodology. Control laboratory from the environmental with the access of poultry breeding facilities. Sampling. In sampling we choose 50 eggs from the poultry. Our innovative incubation possesses 5 major parts. They are temperature, humidity, ventilation, position of egg, turning of eggs. Continued by Teja.
Temperature is the most important thing in our incubation. The first 18 days should be we have to maintain the temperature 99.5 to 99.75 degree Fahrenheit, and the last hatching period we have to decrease the temperature to 98.5 degree Fahrenheit, which is help to healthy chick development. The next is humidity. Humidity means the rate of moisture loss from eggs during the incubation. The first 18 days we have to maintain the humidity 55% to 65%, and the last 3 days we have to increase the humidity to 65% to 75%, which is help to easy chick hatching. Next, ventilation. Ventilation means the supply of fresh air to the incubator. The chick embryo needs oxygen for development and releases the carbon dioxide. Generally, air contains about 21% oxygen, which is suitable for incubation. The proper ventilation support gives oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. And the next part will be continued by Shyam.
In our incubator, correct position of the eggs is very important for good hatching results. But especially in our incubator, used by rural farmers and small poultry keepers, the broad end of the eggs should face downward, upward. The narrow end of the should face downwards. Turning eggs 8 times daily. If manually controlling, if 24 times turning eggs if automatically. Stop turning after 18 days. Chicken eggs. Additional tips: use clean and fresh fertilized eggs. Do not wash eggs with water. Maintain temperature around 99.5 Fahrenheit. Maintain humidity around 50 to 55 percentage. Increase to 65 to 70 during last 3 days. Continue the Pallavi.
Conclusion. We have concluded that hatches is a viable innovation that addresses key limitations of traditional incubators.